Hello viewers, today for initial checkout and call testing we have a Lenoxx Sound branded PH-543, which does have the caller ID screen, as you can see, H. And yes, it does have the delete button and the contrast button, as well as the caller ID checking buttons, as well as the call back and adjust thing. So that means you can always set it to answer calls whenever you feel like it. So anyway, this is the Lenoxx Sound branded PH-543's Quadrum line telephone with caller ID, which I've gotten from Mom, of course, because she gave this phone to me from the house. Anyway, let's go ahead and give this thing a dial tone test to make sure it works. Can you hear the dial tone perfectly? Alrighty then, now let's go ahead and dial the time temperature hotline.
Good afternoon. Take advantage of today's low home equity loan rate. People's United Bank N.A., member FDIC, and equal housing lender. Today is Saturday, November 16th. People's United Bank, time 4:52. Current temperature 35 degrees. Sunny today, highs upper 30s, northeast winds gusting to 30, partly cloudy overnight, lows in the low 20s. Sunday, partly to mostly cloudy with a high in the low 40s.
Alrighty then, now let's go ahead and give this thing a test call using my famous smartphone. Let's see when I can do it. I just messaged you know who today. There we go. Alright, so here we go. Oh, that's because Christmas is just right around the corner. I almost forgot to turn them off doing this test, of course. Alright, well, let's try to call it up again. Not you two. Let's try to call it up again. Because you heard the Uniden phones ringing Merry Christmas in the background. So, anyway, here we go. Nice ringer to it, however. Hang on, viewers. Check, check, check. Checking out the earpiece. Checking out the earpiece. Checking out the earpiece again. Testing out the earpiece of the Lenoxx Sound branded PH-543 for the trimline telephone with caller ID, which I've gotten from my mom, of course. Thank you. Oh. And that was it for this video. May God bless every one of you.